Hey y'all, I'm back with some human hair from a company that I just reviewed one wig by them and I really liked it. So it'll be interesting to see how we feel about this one, because the first one by VSVS Hair was a bob. It was a blonde little curly bob that I loved. You didn't have to cut anything, you didn't have to pluck anything. It was just a bomb.com wig. So I'm hoping that this one by VSVS Hair that I got is just as nice. If it is, we'll add them into our rotation. If it's trash, they'll be, you know, 1 for 2. So let us see, okay? So like I said, if you look in the description box, you will see a direct link to this wig and the details, okay? So not only did the wig come, but it was a care card in here, some thin stocking caps, some eyelashes, and a edge band. Okay, those little extras do matter. All right, so this wig, out of all the human hair that I filmed today, is probably the one that I'm most excited about because it's my favorite curl pattern, y'all. And I'm hoping that this is the one that I got in hopes that it's gonna be my vacation hair, but we shall see, y'all. We shall see. I hope so. This wig is 24 inches long and it is in a deep wave. Okay. Super cute, and y'all know I've been on a kick all summer of getting human hair that's easy, affordable, and quick. So this wig is one of those air wigs, glueless wigs. You see companies call them different things, to where you don't have to cut off any lace. That's pre-done for you. It's pre-plucked for you. You don't have to glue. You don't have to tack. You don't have to do anything because you have this band pre-sewn in as well. Okay, y'all. I pray that this one works, because if not, I gotta go back to the drawing board on what hair I'm gonna take with me. But look at that straight out of the pack. That looks pretty good, huh? Woo-hoo. Okay, y'all. Fingers crossed. All I'm gonna do is put this on my head and wet it. I'll be back with my final thoughts. This shouldn't take long at all. Be right back. Y'all, I think this is it. I think this is my vacation hair. Because of the ease of it, the look of it, I can pull it back in a ponytail if I so choose. I can get it wet. This is it. It feels so secure on my head with no glue, none of that old jazz. Now, y'all know I'm gonna put some, I'm gonna apply some just so I don't turn this to somebody's viral video. But nonetheless, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. I don't have any negative things to say about this wig. Now, I was actually kind of concerned on if I was gonna like this one more than that little short blonde one, and y'all, I like them both. So I think that I'm going to go ahead and add V-Show hair to our regular rotation because they are 2 for 2. Okay, because both of these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them both. Hands down, can recommend them both. Very, very pretty. If you look at that description box, you'll see a direct link to this unit, as well as all the details, as well as a direct link to V-Show to go, you know, play around on their website and see what you see. And if you see something that you like, put it in the comments so I can know what to get next. Because I think I want to do something blonde or maybe straight, because we didn't do anything straight. In the comments, let me know if you see something that you like so I can pick it up and we review it. Y'all, the other thing about this wig, y'all know I'm cheap, is after it starts to look red at the ends, y'all, I'm gonna cut it to about this length. And I'll cut it all the way up into a little curly bob, right? Yeah, so this is like 3 wigs in one. Definitely recommend this one, y'all. I'm excited. I think this is it. Y'all know I'm gonna change it like 50 times before I leave on what my hair is going to be. But I think that this definitely is a contender. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.